In this video, we will discuss annuities. Sige, let's start.
Bigla kang sumakses eh.
So ano nga ba itong annuity? Annuity is a series of equal receipts or payments with equal intervals. So may dalawang importanteng characteristics ang annuities. So number one is equal receipts. Dapat yung payment is pare-parehas lang. If for example, 1 million yung first payment, dapat yung mga susunod na payment ay 1 million din. Next, second, dapat pare-parehas yung intervals. So if for example, yung interval is every year, dapat consistent siya na every year. Okay? Kung semi-annual, dapat semi-annual din. If every 2 years din. So as you can see, regardless magkano yung amount, regardless kung gaano kalaki or kaliit yung interval, regardless whether nasa receiving or nasa paying end ka, as long as present yung equal receipts and equal intervals, that's an annuity. Okay? So, i-differentiate natin yung annuity sa installment. Okay? So, yung annuity kasi, dapat parehas siya na series of equal receipts and equal intervals. Sa installment kasi, it can mean na, payment na pautal-utal. Okay? Next, may dalawang klase ng annuity at nagkakaiba lang sila kailan yung first payment or receipt. Okay? Sa ordinary annuity, the first payment happens at the end of the period. So if for example, nag-start yung period January 1, 2025, mangyayari yung first payment sa December 31, 2025. Next, yung annuity due naman. Okay? Sa annuity due, yung kaibahan niya sa ordinary annuity is, again, kailan yung first payment. Kapag annuity due, nangyari yung first payment at the start of the period. Okay? So, kailangan natin malaman kailan yung first payment kasi magkakaroon ng variation sa formula when that happens. Okay. Next, i-discuss naman natin ito, yung first future value factor na i-compute natin, which is ordinary annuity of 1 peso. It answers the question, if I make a series of equal deposits over several periods, with deposits starting after 1 period has passed, how much do I need to deposit that will be worth 1 peso in the future? So again, dapat series of equal deposits. So equal yung amount. And next is dapat same yung interval. Okay? So as you can see, magsa-start yung deposit after 1 period has passed. At ito yung gagamitin nating formula. That's 1 plus interest rate raised to number of periods. Okay, so as you can see, ito yung formula ng future value of 1, no? So may slight variation lang siya kasi annuity na siya. So i-minus 1 natin siya, then divided by interest rate. So sige, try to answer this problem on your own and pause the video. Sige, let's start. Okay, first, i-identify muna natin. Annuity ba siya? So sige, first, we will see, okay, may series of equal payments ba? Ayan, ang sabi dito, may 1 million peso deposits. Okay, series of 1 million peso deposits. So check na tayo dun sa series of equal payments. Next, meron bang equal interval? So yes, merong equal interval dito. Ang sabi dito, every year. Okay? So, annuity siya. Okay? So, is it ordinary annuity or annuity due? So, sabi dito, magsa-start daw ang deposit after 1 year. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, isa siyang ordinary annuity. Now, subukan natin i-present sa table kung magkano ang magiging future value ng deposit. So, as you can see, di ba, magsa-start yung deposit sa December 31, 2025. Okay? Tapos next year, magkakaroon ng interest based sa sa 1 million. Tapos magdadagdag tayo ng 1 million peso. Okay? So, ang magiging ending balance is 2,120,000, which will be the basis para sa interest income sa susunod na period plus 1 million. Ayan. And continue the steps hanggang sa mapunta tayo sa 6,352,847. Gosh, ang hirap, no? So, is there a way to jump from 1 million papuntang 6 million? So yan, dito na papasok ang itong FV factor. Sige, sabayan nyo ako sa basic calculator. So, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, no? Actually, itong 1 plus interest rate raised to n, yan yung future value of 1 formula kanina. Okay? So, that's 1.12. So, again, then press multiplication sign 2 times. 1, 2. And then, again, yung 1.12, it already represents the first period. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so again, this is FV of 1. Ngayon, gawin natin siya ordinary annuity. So, ima-minus 1 divided by 0.12. So, ito na yung factor natin. Ibig sabihin, yung 1 million peso will increase 6.35 times. Okay? So, sige. So, that's 1 million times future value of ordinary annuity. Yung number of periods is 5. Tapos yung interest rate ay 12%. Next, i-multiply na natin yung factor, no? Okay? Guys, always remember to use up to 6 decimals. Okay, you don't have to use 8. That's too much. Okay? Next, ayan. So, as you can see, yung kuha natin by using the factor at saka yung using the table is the same. So, kung gagamitin natin yung factor, mas madali siya. Especially kapag mag-solve kayo sa board exam, sa mga exams, etc. So, ganyan lang siya kasimple, guys. Next, we will answer future value of annuity due of 1 peso in another video.